Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. And today we went to a small visit to Micropia. Micropia is located in Amsterdam at the Amsterdam Artist Zoo, and it's a small museum with an exhibition about microbes.
Closer you look, the beter. Eyelash ones. Waarop is bij bekijken. Dan gaat het een nieuwe wereld. When you look from really close, a new world is revealed to you. Welkom in Micropia. Welcome to Micropia.
The museum is quite small. You can see everything in a really short time. Their exhibitions consist in small stations with reactors that have some kind of cultivation. So you have to really pay attention and read what is inside of each reactor or each station. The first part of the museum is super dark, so I wasn't able to record as much as I wanted. But look at these beautiful reactors, how they look with the light under them. They look really cool. This is a cool activity. You can stamp microbes all around the museum, collect them. It will be like a nice souvenir. I think everyone came for this reason. This wall is really stunning. I would love to have this in my house. If you love microbiology, this museum is for you, for sure. It's the second time that we went to this museum because I love this place. So downstairs you will find a different exhibition that will be like fermentation and fungi, more about how the microbes interact with food. So that's it guys, this was our small visit to Micropia. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye!